What's going on, YouTubers? Out here, Lake Perris hatchery, seeing if we can get on some panfish and some carp. There's some giant carp out here, so we added a little bit extra flavor to our pack bait. See if that's gonna help us bring in these monsters. So, early morning bite, nice and foggy morning. Hopefully I'll catch my first fish of the year. Let's see what we can get into. Something's on there. Nice little jingle bell. What we got? For sure bluegill. Small one. What is this? Ah, I got off. So I was going to use barbless hooks. Dang it. Keep tight. Might be the barbless hook. I had a bite in a minute. This one's, oh, son of a. Again. That one was big. Oh, that's cold. There we go. Need a dang bell on this time. Oh, are you effing kidding me? Oh, I'm about to do away with this barbless hook. Golly. There's a big one. He ran hard and fast. Oh, look at this. All right, well, we got 10-pounder on here. Ugh. This thing. Man. Oh. Oh, come on. Look at this. What the heck? Come on, fish. Come on. Oh. There we go. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Might be a PB for the year already. Alright, we're back on it. Battery on the phone, or excuse me, battery in the camera died. Had to get this pig in closer to shore, swap out the battery. This sumbitch is huge. Oh, look at this. We got 10-pound test on here. Oh. This monster. Oof. Oh yeah. Look at that freaking giant. I'm gonna have to weigh this one. Let's see here. Where? Alright. Got the scale. Let's walk this bad boy in. Here we go. There we go. Oh shit. Line just broke. Oh no 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 no. No no no. Oh fuck you. Oh, the line just broke. Holy crap. Oh man. Look at this thing. PB. Oh, Where you at? 15.1. Holy monster. Oh, hang on. Oh, gosh. Come on, man. Oh. Holy hell. Personal best. Starting the new year off good. Hang on. Dang. Beast.
Yeah, I'm about to